What do most best-selling authors have in common? Well, through their books, they build powerful brands, sell out copies, and in some cases, even land new clients and opportunities. How do they do it? You're in the right place. At Notion Press, we believe that anyone can write and publish a book. Publishing isn't for the chosen few anymore. It's no longer about chasing traditional publishers for approval. Today, publishing is open to you, to me, and to every writer with a story to tell. And we're here to make that story happen through guiding you with writing, editing, designing, publishing, and even marketing your book. But what makes Notion Press different from everyone else? Our approach to publishing differs from how traditional publishing companies or even self-publishing companies work. If you don't know how traditional publishers and self-publishers work, you can click on the links in the description to check out our previous videos where we cover these topics in much more detail. While most self-publishing companies stop at just getting your book out there, we go way beyond. We help you build your author brand. Authors like Gurleen Khaira, Sana Grover, and Praveen Shekhar were able to build a powerful brand and attract new clients only because they had the right support while publishing their book. Other publishers may not help you with important details like creating the perfect cover or ensuring your book reaches the right readers. But with Notion Press, you get all of that and more. You get a platform backed by real publishing expertise that includes professional editing and cover design services that make your book stand out, smart distribution channels that help you reach a global audience, and targeted marketing that helps you reach your exact audience. All of this makes up a Notion Press book. And the best part is that you get to retain all of the rights of your book and get to keep 100% of royalties from book sales. Don't take our word for it. Trust the 50,000 plus authors who've published over 120,000 books with us. Your book deserves the best. Let's make it happen. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who'll help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!